So here's another cool story, and this one includes a cautionary tale. So late this winter, I had an opportunity to get away from the Colorado cold and go to Florida for a little while. And my dates were pretty much set. I was actually going to attend some events there. And I started getting all of these reports about how bad the red tide was right where I go to the water near where I live. And so if you're not familiar, red tide is an algal bloom, which is probably caused by humans. It puts lots of toxins into the water and in the air. The toxins kill the marine life, lots of fish and other marine life, which is sad enough on its own. Then, of course, those wash up on the beach, which is not fun for the people on the beach. But worse for me, the toxins in the air caused me really bad asthma, even several miles from the beach. So, oh, and the water weather people were saying it was going to be there for weeks. It wasn't going anywhere. It was just going to go back and forth, not go out to sea. So it didn't look good. As that trip approached, the full moon came. Actually, the full moon came and went. I mentioned before, I couldn't do my full moon ceremony till 4 days after, but it was important that I do it because I had a friend I was doing some work for. So I did all this raising of energy. I did the spell for my friend, and then I had a little left over. And so I did some visualization and affirmation with the guides that I work with, imagining that and thanking them for the red tide all dispersing and it stops killing wildlife and it's completely gone. And here's where I messed up a little. By the time I get there was my thing that I affirmed. So that was on a Thursday. Was supposed to be at the water on Monday night. That was the plan. On Sunday night, as will happen, I got an email from Frontier Airlines saying, oh, hey, sorry, your flight for Monday is canceled, but we can get you there on Thursday. So that's where the joke comes in. If I had asked for the algae bloom to be gone by the time I got there on Monday night, I'd have been there on Monday night, but that isn't what happened. So even though the weather people kept saying that the algae bloom wasn't going anywhere, by the time I got there Thursday, it was completely gone. So two things. A, it can be that simple to ask for what you need with all the heartfelt intention you can focus. And B, be really specific what you ask for when you do this stuff, because I don't know if they play games with us just to teach us a lesson or what it is, but you need to be clear. So anyway, that's my another fun story. If you'd like to learn how to do these things, please feel free to join me in my course. I do have a free download that you can get a sample, see what the course is like. And there'll be links around in here somewhere for details about the course. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.